Hey, are you struggling to do a normal squat? Then you are at the right place. This is Santosh and you are watching me on Sundays with Life. Let's get started. Before doing a perfect squat, please focus on these four things. Number 1. Do not lean too forward. Number 2. Do not arch your spine. Number 3. Make sure your knees should not cross your feet. Number 4. Finally, do not raise your heels. To do a basic squat, start with your legs just about shoulder width apart. Lift your arms up. Make sure your back is straight. Now, push your hips back. Your hips and thighs must be parallel to the floor. Inhale when you are going down. Exhale when you are coming up. What if you can't do a normal squat? No worries. Here are the few tips to do perfect home squats. If you like this video, click on the like button. Most importantly, please subscribe to my channel to get more videos from our side. Take care. Bye bye.